And so it's Saturday, working from home. Been working on this for a few hours, still working on this list. So got through with the computer support and service, all those different pages for the website. And so moving down the list, just did all the computer service. So did about 12 or 13 of those. And that's for all the different cities here in the Kansas City area. So small business computer service. I'm just really going after that computer service. So computer service, computer service, computer service. And then as we get down, more computer service, like just bang that out. And then I just did another one. So working the list again to computer consultant. So just did a page for that. Now I'm going to go through the process of doing computer consultant, Lee Summit, Lenexa, Overland Park, and just keep it going for every single major city here in the Kansas City area. So I've been working on this for a few hours already, probably put a couple more hours into it or until my eyes start going like cross. So I'll be back. All right, part two, just wrapping this up. So still working on this. So just wanted to go over something just for somebody out here who might be kind of going through this. So when I first started making websites, I used to kind of be under this impression that I didn't want to have the page or the website just super duper like keyword rich, because to me it seemed like, oh man, that looks kind of stupid. Like, whenever somebody's reading the page, it kind of looks stupid if you just keep saying the same words over and over again. But I guess as I've gotten older, I've kind of gotten out of that. And now I know that all those keywords have to be in there over and over again. And I think that these days people are more like inclined to seeing websites like this. Like, for example, I remember I had to get like a plumber at one point, and I went to their website. This is like maybe a year ago. And I remember all their pages were set up the same exact way, where they had a bunch of them, it's all based on the per city. And they just kept hitting that keyword over and over and over again. So like with this one, just hitting that keyword, computer consultant Olathe, hitting it again, and then hitting it again. And I mean, just over and over and over again. There's, I don't know, I would say probably 90% of this is just words, but 10%, maybe less than 10%, but maybe just a few percent of all of the content is the word computer consultant or Olathe, Kansas, because you really want to beat it into Google. Not so much the customer, but beat it into Google. That's what you want to get ranked for. So I'm going to remember this page, and in a couple days, I'm just going to do a search for computer consultant Olathe, Kansas, and just to pop it up just to see if, in fact, that's exactly what happens. Because the thing is that that's what the search engines are looking for. They're looking for that keyword over and over again. So Google knows that my website, kansascitytech.com, they know that it is a computer-related website. So pretty much anything that I put on this site that's computer-related or IT-related, it's going to rank in the search results. So my website's been around for, I would say, at least 10 years. So I do have some authority when it comes to Google. So back in the day, this is back before they required that you had an address. I had like Google reviews, and I just said I was on Google Maps with just a generic like address downtown. And so my page has some authority. So that's why, whenever I release a new page or whatever it is, like it's just automatically, it seems like, in the search engines. That's because over time, you're just going to gain that authority. And so I'm just gonna keep going here. So this is gonna be the last one. I think I'm gonna go get something to eat here in a little bit. I know that this is probably gonna be the last video of the day though. So I just wanted to get this wrapped up so I can get this video edited and uploaded to the site. But every single day, I'm trying to transform from someone that works at home, and currently right now I'm working from home. You see, I work at the office most days though. So I'm trying to transition to working at the office more. In fact, trying to get to a point where I can hire an employee to do the day-to-day IT stuff so I can focus on sales and server support. So keep following the channel if you want daily updates on an MSP in the Kansas City area, the Midwest basically, that is transforming his business from just a single operator that did 130 in sales last year to having an office, to optimizing the website, to bringing in more clients, running ads, whether it be Facebook or Google ads, to hiring an employee, and then just taking it to the stratosphere. So like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.